Hi guys, I'm Zach, and today we're going to be getting into one of my favorite brands. And if you know anything about me, that is Represent. Now with Represent, they have a variety of collections that are constantly releasing, constantly selling out, from 247 to Owners Club, and today it is that one that we're going to be paying attention. That is the Owners Club collection, one of my favorite all-time collections. So versatile, so wearable, so fantastic when it comes to quality. I've got to say, Represent, hands down, best brand in the world, and today we're going to show you why. Let's get into the video. First up, starting the video off strong, we are looking at the Owners Club t-shirt in this cobalt blue colorway. Now for sizing reference, I am 86 kilos, 6 foot tall, and this is a size large. In fact, everything on this video, from tops to bottoms to outerwear, is all a size large, just so you know, for sizing reference, so we don't have to go through it again. Now, I've got to say, cobalt blue is something that I would never have thought that I'd be wearing. A blue t-shirt, to me, when I say it out loud, it just doesn't sound like it works. But cobalt blue has taken the world by storm. From Yeezy to Represent to Cole Buxton, it's just working. And for me, I'm normally black, grey, white, and that is my entire spectrum of color in my wardrobe. However, Represent has got me out of it, and I've got to amend them for that because this t-shirt is fantastic. Now getting into the actual fit of the t-shirt, which is of course super important. You've got a thick neck collar right here, hugging your t-shirt, hugging your neck so ever lightly, just structuring the t-shirt so that it doesn't flow around, and you've got a nice base for the rest of the t-shirt to start off on. You've got drop shoulders on each side of the t-shirt and a slightly cropped finish to the shirt, making it perfect and versatile for multiple wears every day without question. Now I've got to say, with this t-shirt, I enjoyed it so much. I actually picked it up in 3 colorways, which you're going to be seeing now. Let me just throw in the green one. Oh wait, how do they do it? The colors that these guys pick, they know what they're doing. This is the Racing Green variation, so fantastic. Of course, you've got the same fit as the t-shirt previously, but I've just got to say, wow, now I've got a debate between green and blue. Who would have thought my color spectrum in the wardrobe would be increasing by 2? Actually, it's increasing by 3. Unfortunately, I haven't got the maroon one in hand right now. By the time this video is done filming and editing, I should have it in, so you will see some b-roll of the maroon one on. I'll definitely be keeping that one because these t-shirts are perfect for any occasion. But I just wanted to preface that by saying that first. But another fantastic Owners Club piece from Represent, Racing Green Owners Club t-shirt. Let's move on to the hoodie. Now, this is the perfect time to insert that GTA meme because, wow, here we go again. This is another fantastic piece from Represent. Their burgundy hoodie in the Owners Club style. And I haven't honestly picked up a hoodie from Represent in quite a while. I actually picked up a hoodie from their Blanks collection when it first released, and I just wasn't too big of a fan of the fabric or the fit at the time. Now I know they've actually increased and perfected their hoodies over time, but I haven't been able to subject and actually confirm that until now. But I've got to say, with their fit of this hoodie, it is perfect. Slightly cropped, super thick, but not too heavyweight to the point where you can't actually wear it. And you've actually got that snap closure just at the front for when you're getting a little bit chilly. You want to keep your neck nice and warm. Hugs perfectly, not too tight. It is a fantastic hoodie. And this is actually the reason that I knew I'll be keeping the burgundy t-shirt once it comes in, just because of how beautiful this color is. Represent actually released a red hoodie so long ago that I actually searched far and wide for. It was their Oxblood hoodie. This is from such an old collection, and this just brings me back to those memories of when I first found out about Represent and how much I loved the quality, the fit, the look of their material. So it's so great to be able to enjoy that type of piece once again. And here we go, the Owners Club hoodie. Once again, another fantastic piece. I've got to say, if you're looking for a hoodie around this price mark of the Represent Owners Club hoodie, this is definitely worth the pickup, definitely worth the price, especially when it comes to the little minute details. Once again, from that little closure at the top of the hood down to the little metal branding on this piece. It is great all around. That being said, let's move into the next one. As I said, the cobalt blue was one of my favorite colors from this collection, and I just had to pick it up again in this Owners Club crew neck right here. I will preface this by saying I don't actually really like crew necks, and I just bought it to see what the fit is like. And I've got to say, I actually really enjoy the fit of this piece. from the cinched waist down at the bottom, the boxy sleeves, the boxy nature of the fit all around. I do actually really enjoy this piece. However, I think I would wear the Owners Club Cobalt Blue hoodie a lot more, so unfortunately I will be sending this piece back. But once again, another fantastic piece from Represent. Let's move on to the next one. Now, moving into a piece that I actually will be keeping from Represent. These are the Represent Owners Club Collection pants in this burgundy colorway. Another home run from Represent. I've got to say, from the fit, quality, comfort, and overall aesthetics of these pants, these are a home run most definitely. The thick French terry cotton is something my legs were adoring once I threw these on. The quality from the materials, you know, this isn't something that is gonna rip over time. It is super thick to the touch. And I gotta say, with sweatpants, you've gotta have thick sweatpants because they are structured then. They're not gonna sag, fall in the wrong areas. You want it to be a structured pant. You want it to hug your leg, but not flow all over the place like some pajama pants. And that is why I love this pair of pants. And something else that shocked me from these pairs of pants was the minute details. Of course, Represent is known for their minute details, but it is just something that always surprises me every time I pick up a garment from them. From the side, little metal engraved Represent right there, just to add that piece of luxury element to the sweatpants. It just looks incredible. And something I wasn't actually aware of on the sweatpants is that they have zip pockets, and that is super appreciated for me, especially if I'm going to be wearing these out to Coles, Woolies, to the movies. Something comfortable but also looking good. I want to be able to lock and be loaded with whatever I have in my pockets. Now that is something I really appreciate from this pair of pants. I've got to say the fit is perfect. It is not too baggy. It is not too tight, because honestly, when it comes to tight sweatpants, that is not for me. I am not into that whole tech fleece look, so stay away in terms of that aspect. But I've got to say, another fantastic piece from Represent. Now let's move into the final piece, which I've got to say is the home run, the bang up, the one you've been waiting for, the piece you guys are all gonna love and definitely might be picking up after I show it to you. All right, let's get into it. Jumping in here real quick, guys, I just want to say, if you guys are enjoying the video so far, feel free to like down below. It means the world to me. And drop a comment and say, what is your favorite piece so far, or what are you looking to pick up soon from the Represent Owners Club collection? And if you guys want to see more content from me, Zach, feel free to subscribe as well. That being said, let's get into the final piece. And here we are at the end of the video, guys. This is everything you've been waiting for, the finale to the video. This is the Owners Club varsity jacket right here in the black colorway. Now, I actually loved this piece so much, I went and splurged and got the maroon one as well, which you should be seeing in the B-roll now. Unfortunately, it is not here as of the time of filming this video, but another fantastic piece. Hopefully, I will be picking one or the other. I won't be keeping both. It does have a bit of a hefty price point. I'm not gonna lie and say it doesn't, but I will say when it comes to quality, you are getting what you pay for when it comes to Represent. From the quilted lining on the inside to the stitching on the sleeves, the back of the jacket, the embroidery, to the massive R right there, that patch, it looks fantastic. Zip pockets again, you know I'm gonna say it just adds that extra detail of luxury to this piece. You've got the boxy silhouette of this jacket with the huge leather sleeves on each side. You've also got the slightly cropped nature of the jacket, so it doesn't hang too low, finishes right around your hoodie, and that is actually what I think is the optimal way of wearing this jacket right here, just like I've got it styled with the maroon burgundy hoodie underneath. I think this is a banger of a piece. Once again, I said size large, fantastic, 6 foot, 87 kilos. That is me, guys. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you guys did enjoy it, feel free to leave a like down below. It really means the world to me, especially when I'm buying all these pieces to show you guys and editing and filming all of it. It really just means a world to me. Just to see that little like, I really do appreciate it. With that being said, if you guys are picking any of these pieces up, feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. If you have any questions regarding sizing, quality, fit, recommendations, or just want to ask a question, I respond to every question, every comment that is made down below. And once again, if you want to see more content from me, feel free to subscribe as well. I have a lot of content coming up in the future, especially Represent wise. If you're into Represent and you want to see more content, this is the guy you want to subscribe to. So once again, I'm just going to close the video, guys, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. See you guys.